ya, suckers!
My name's Max Walker, and I'm about to blow your doors off.
So we're out here at Horns Hill. It's race weekend, but I don't know, you guys have probably seen it out there. People riding mini bikes at Downhill Park.
Kids bikes.
Kids bikes, not even mini bikes. Like these things are 16 inches or less.
12 inches on these ones.
12 inches. 20 inches if you're a cheater like Max. We're about to go have some fun and make a mini bikes video at a downhill park.
Oh!
Yeah, you definitely just ran into that. What do you think's gonna happen?
What I'm saying. Carnage.
Carnage?
Carnage is gonna happen.
You're going down, bud.
On this fine Saturday morning, we're going to be taking these beautiful race steeds down Horns Hill.
So Max, are you riding that piece of shit?
Yes.
You can throw some nasty tables.
Oh, goggles are coming
Hey,
off.
Pete, this note out.
Got my rig over here. Best looking one out here.
That is actually really nice.
I know.
That's like the Barbie dream bike.
Guess how much I got it for?
25.
Yep. Oh, what has he got?
Oh, look at that rig! Oh, no!
No!
You have a custom paint job, you cheated. Oh, my God. Look at that 2018.
Check this boy out right here.
You look like the bear that rides the unicycle in the circus. That's what you got going on here.
How come Max is the smallest person here if he has the biggest bike?
Because it's cheating. And Max is a cheater.
He's
the ultimate cheater, bro.
He's gonna go down every.
He's still not gonna win.
He's gonna cut every corner. We already know this.
You're gonna have to pump it up before every run.
We're doing multiple runs? All right, comprehensive decision. We take Greenhorn down to Jurassic Park.
I'm cool with that.
Oh! 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 See ya, suckers! Oh my gosh! That was some crazy wobbles! Oh my god! Oh, too fast! Too fast! Oh god! My bar's twisted! Oh! Oh!
Going for the pass! Going for the pass! I'm coming in hot, Max! Whoa! My bars are turned! Oh shit! I'm going for the pass! Caleb, get on it! Oh yeah! Oh! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no!
Never mind, she declined to the first date. Went to Vegas with a roommate. Never mind all the lines on the highway. I aim to misbehave 'cause I'm just
I'm catching ya! Oh god! Oh! Sherm, you're way too comfortable on that.
High five!
That's very nice.
Oh! Oh shit!
Chains off!
I jumped and I saw that big rock right there. Dude, that barely looks like anything on camera.
Oh!
Right on the rock! to Max's.
No, other side. Look at the rim. Dude, that you destroyed it.
In the rim. Good thing it's not his bike.
That makes it better.
It's a truck.
So we got the mini bikes out here on Jurassic right now. It's very scary. We've almost died a few times already. You and Sherm definitely got the better bikes.
I know.
I think it's all in the bars. You guys got
we don't have the bars that slip.
That's 3 bikes down now. Red Rocket, chains coming off. Dom broke that, and Dom broke the yellow bike too. So Dom's broken 2 bikes. Here they come. We're coming down to the berm section on Jurassic now. We got everyone on the mini bikes. Half of them are broken, half of them are still working, but they are maximum sketch.
All these bars.
Oh! Hot sauce! Whoa! Oh, Leroy! Oh my God. Oh! Sick!
Oh, scary.
Oh, he got it!
Clean.
How did you do that?
There we go, that was better.
People that don't know, we're racing on this tomorrow. This is practice day, but we're out here.
Hey, here comes Caleb.
Anyways, we're racing on this tomorrow. Today's practice day, and we're burning in a 90-degree line right into this corner that is not a 90-degree corner. So people might see it and just like jump into the woods or something. I don't know.
And this is 90 degrees for mini bikes. These are literally 3 feet long compared to our 6 foot long enduro bikes. So if anyone hits this line on their regular bike and comes out of it fast and clean, they're good.
All these bars.
Oh, Blake, you got smoked.
These bars.
You got dusted.
Well, these bars keep going like that.
No, I think you just need to put them in full down mode.
Full turbo mode.
Yeah,
Just like that.
all the way, like onto the frame.
Dude, the Hot Wheels goes.
There you go.
Pedal!
Inside!
How is he so?
Why is he so good?
That was actually really good.
Dude, why is he faster on
how
the
is he
little
so
bike than the
good?
big one?
Sherm, how are you so good? Have you been practicing?
Dude, he was flying on that.
Faster in that than on your regular bike.
Yeah, seriously.
He's getting that speed.
Look at his tire mark. Look at his tire mark.
Hot Wheels, hit me up in the description.
The tires just sounded like shh the whole way.
Oh, they're Michelin's, boys. That's why. Go get you some. Best tires out there.
What the heck's Michelin?
Michelin.
Footy of this too.
What do you think about mini bikes?
I love it, bro. This is so fun. Even though I'm gonna be dead for tomorrow now.
It's honestly way more fun than I thought it was.
It really
gonna be.
is,
Like
yeah.
I thought it was gonna be stupid.
Yeah.
Way more fun than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, everyone's probably seen the video of. I don't know who did
Who
that.
did it? I don't know. That video's all over Facebook.
Matt Jones has done it. Ripping mini
Pilgrim's probably
bikes.
done it like 40 times.
Dude, it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Stupid.
We need to do this more.
What did we learn?
Now we actually have to really race. See these right here? This welded bars is really where it's at. Don't buy a bike if you get one of these.
Yeah.
That has bolt-on bars because they just can't handle our weight.
Was more fun than we thought it would be.
Absolutely. Yeah.
More scary than I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be scary, and it was really scary.
And if you had better bars, we could go down.
The bars added way more scare, because every time you would push into a corner or land something, they would tilt backwards. And if you go backwards a little bit on these, you're going to your back.
Well, I guess that wraps up our first mini bikes at a downhill park I guess it's a downhill park, Horns Hill. Highly recommend doing it with your buds. It was a whole lot of fun. Really sketchy though.